I'm currently teaching adult GCSE students at college. I'm having to teach the entire biology GCSE in 1 year. So I don't have an awful lot of time to deliver the content. So what I find the LbQ does, it helps me embed the learning in the students by giving them those question sets, particularly difficult topics like photosynthesis or graph work, building up the skills which I don't have time to do.
As a science teacher, LbQ has been really good for my Year 11 and Year 10 students, helping them address some of the foundations that they might have had gaps in from prior knowledge, or where they might have missed some content due to absence, or they just necessarily might have forgotten it because they did it in Year 7 and 8. Things like what a measuring cylinder is, sometimes they get it confused with a conical flask. So it's been very good because in all of the LbQ question sets, there's usually a picture that goes with it.
Given the kind of range of question sets which are available, it allows for all the more difficult concepts which we cover in science, all the diagrams, graphs, visual stuff which is very difficult to kind of represent, especially when you talk about concepts which students don't visualize. The question sets have allowed the students to see and be able to represent what they do want to say, and then from that allows them to answer the questions.
It's especially useful for working out how to spot errors and common errors and misconceptions, especially in things like graph work, where they're wanting to put lines of best fit in the wrong places, and trying to get things like that into order has been really, really useful.
Right, one issue I have with having a very short time to teach the GCSE is that the students, and the ability of the students coming in, is that sometimes the math skills, the science skills, graph skills, that kind of thing, they don't have an awful lot of. Now, what this enables me to do through LbQ is to actually use targeted question sets on those skills to help them come up to speed, even simple things like mean calculations. Now, I know from exams and tests that there is beginning to help some of those students acquire those skills.
Both at Key Stage 3 and Key Stage 4 with the required practicals, it helps them address fluency issues, things like looking for an anomaly in a table, how they do lines of best fit, and those practical skills that come up time and time again that you can address to any topic.
Being able to then move forward in the different levels in the mastery is something that is very, very useful as well.